we're making mint chocolate chip cookies. So let's take a break and bake. This comment right here was the whole idea for this video. I'm so glad that she commented for another dessert for me to make. So if you have a dessert idea that you want me to make on this channel, comment it down below, or if you have challenge video ideas, tell me down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the bell icon because that will let you get notified whenever I upload. Now let's make these mint chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients you need are 2½ cups of flour, 1½ cups of chocolate chips, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 1 teaspoon green food coloring, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and finally, ½ teaspoon of salt. The first step to making these mint chocolate chip cookies, in the bowl with your flour, add your baking soda and salt and mix together and set to the side. The next step to making these mint cookies is mixing together your butter and sugar. Mix this together until it's light and fluffy. Then you're gonna add your eggs, green food coloring, and peppermint extract to that mixture and mix it up again. And now it's time to mix it up. We're gonna mix in our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients slowly. Now before we put these onto the tray and put them in the oven, we're gonna mix in our chocolate chips. After we mix in our chocolate chips, we're gonna use my handy dandy cookie scoop and scoop out cookies and put them onto a tray. And with any extra dough, we're making a monster cookie like we do in all of my cookie videos. These look so good and they're also mint green, which makes it even cooler. You're a green one, Mr. Cookie. No? Okay, then after this I'm gonna go watch The Grinch. And now it's time for the taste test. I cut a piece of the giant cookie to eat some of it, because giant cookies, they're better cookies. These cookies are so good. You definitely taste the mint. The mint and the chocolate in these cookies go so well together. Thank you so much for watching this video of baking and buttercream. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make delicious mint chocolate chip cookies. If you enjoyed learning how to make these cookies, please like this video and share it to all your friends. And don't forget to comment down below another sweet treat or challenge video idea. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below. I have social media links to both my Facebook and Instagram. Down there, I also have a store link to where you can get the things I used in this video. And then just check out my website in general. It's a cool website. You can learn a little bit more about baking and buttercream there. Alright, click on one of these 2 videos right here. This video, YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this one. And click this icon over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright, have a great day.